Hello, welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. This is a yoga class. It's been a minute. Lots of requests for minimal cues, so let's begin standing at the top of your mat, the top of your space. Use this moment to connect to the breath, to the present. Inhale, arms reach wide overhead. Look up, reach up. Exhale, hands back down to heart center. Two more times. Inhale. And down. Lift. Hands to heart center. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, swan dive forward. Couple of breaths here. Oh yes, and that's Caesar. He's the best. He says hi. Press to stand. Palms together. Inhale, arms above the head. Lift. Swan dive forward. Right foot back, lunge. On an inhale, lower the right knee, draw the shoulders back. Long exhale, try to press the legs straight. Two more times. Shift the weight forward into a lunge. Lunge twist, right hand down, left arm up. Left hand down. Forward fold at the top of the mat. Press to stand. Inhale, arms above the head. Swan dive. Same sequence on the left side. That's 3 times with the lunge and the straight leg. Shift the weight forward to a lunge. Lunge twist. Reach the right arm. Right hand back down. Step to the top of the mat. Fold. Stand. Reach the arms overhead. Hold the left wrist with the right hand and reach up and over to the right. Lift out and switch sides. Switch your grip. Back to center. Lift up or back bend. Release. Fold forward. Halfway lift. Hands down, plank pose. Lower all the way down. One cobra. Release. Make your way to downward facing dog. 3 breaths. Standing on the left foot, lift the right leg back up. Let the hip open. And switch sides. Two feet. Stand on the left foot, right leg up this time, bend the knee, open the hip a little extra. And switch sides. Two feet. Plank pose. Knees up or down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Let's linger. Couple of breaths. Downward dog. Right leg lifts. Leg bent or straight. Switch sides. Two feet. Take a flow. Meeting back in down dog. Nice and slow. Lower the knees to the mat. Have a seat. Turn to face the long edge of the mat. Left foot in, right foot out. Left arm up and over, side body and hamstring reach. Sit up, baby wild thing, left side. I guess this is the left side. And square off to the right leg or rotate the torso. We're going to reach up and across over with the left hand. Push down with the right and twist the upper body. Release. Switch sides. Right arm up and over. Release, baby wild thing. Lower down, rotate toward the left leg, and reach over and across with the right hand for the pinky edge. And sit up, sit comfortably and tall. Let's take a couple of neck rolls. Just tilting the head side to side, releasing the upper body and the shoulders. Make sure to look right and left. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Twist to the right, float the arms down. Switch sides. Breathe in through center. Exhale to the left. Closing breath in the center. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, lower the hands down. Close the eyes. Relax the temples. I'm so grateful for your presence. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me. Namaste. Namaste. Hello again. Feels good to be back. It's important to take breaks and to do what you need to do for you, I think. So anyway, I'm glad you're still here. I'm glad you're back. Thank you. See you soon. You guys are the best. TikTok, same name.